Beneath the surface of our skin lies a sinister force, one that lurks unnoticed, suffocating our vital organs. It's not just fat. It's a toxic entity, visceral fat. This hidden killer thrives in the depths where no diet can reach, wrapping itself around the heart, the liver, the very essence of life. As scales deceive and exercise routines falter, an ancient, involuntary command resides within us, an icy whisper, a thermal switch capable of unlocking the body's forgotten power to annihilate this insidious tissue. What secret lies in the heart of the cold that forces the body to purge this silent assassin? In the intricate tapestry of human biology, visceral fat entwines itself like a creeping ivy, strangling organs in a silent siege. It's an insidious force, unseen yet potent, a phantom that no scale can measure. Beyond the deceptive dance of numbers on a bathroom scale lies a biological masquerade, a dense, inflammatory tissue that defies the common strategies of diet and exercise. This is no ordinary fat. It's an ancient, relentless adversary, lying dormant in the shadows, waiting for its moment to strike. But what if there existed a hidden command within us, a primal trigger long forgotten by modern man that could turn the tide in this battle? A command so fundamental it could incite a metabolic revolution from the depths of our being. The answer lies in an element as old as time itself: cold. Not the mere chill of a winter breeze, but an elemental force capable of awakening dormant mechanisms. What if exposure to this cold could ignite the body's inner furnace, transforming the way we combat this invisible foe? As the chill seeps in, a question emerges. Can the icy depths unlock the secrets to vanquishing this silent killer? In the labyrinth of our physiology, two distinct forms of fat silently vie for dominance: white and brown. White fat, a sluggish sentinel, stores energy like a bank account, but it's the brown fat that holds a secret weapon. This enigmatic tissue is a furnace, teeming with mitochondria, those tiny blue engines that burn with a thermogenic fire. When the air turns frigid, a mysterious process called non-shivering thermogenesis is set into motion. It's here, beneath the skin, that brown fat awakens, converting stored energy into heat, a biological inferno consuming calories with an insatiable hunger. Thermal imaging has captured this phenomenon. The glow of brown fat, a stark contrast against the cold, revealing its relentless energy expenditure. It is a stark reminder of the body's untapped potential, a power lying dormant, waiting to be unleashed. Yet, this is not a mere metabolic quirk. It's a survival mechanism, an ancient code written into our DNA, urging us to endure, to adapt, to overcome. But what happens when the body is thrust into the cold, not by choice, but by necessity? When the chill becomes more than a backdrop, and instead, the catalyst for a profound physiological transformation. As the icy grip of winter descends, the battle between these two fats intensifies, setting the stage for a sequence of involuntary commands that could hold the key to melting away the toxic grip of visceral fat. With each shiver, each gust of cold air, the body moves closer to a revelation, a transformation driven by the chill itself. What secrets will the cold reveal next? As the body succumbs to the chill, the timeline of transformation begins with precision. In the very first minute, receptors known as TRPM8, scattered across the skin, awaken to the icy touch. They send a cascade of urgent signals, a bioelectric alarm, to the brain's command center. This is the body's cry for thermal assistance, a plea broadcast through the nervous system with the urgency of a storm warning. By the second minute, the hypothalamus, the silent conductor of this physiological symphony, releases norepinephrine, This potent chemical, akin to an ignition key, sets the brown fat ablaze. Mitochondria, those microscopic powerhouses, spring into action, turning stored energy into a furnace of heat. The body becomes a machine in overdrive, a biological engine harnessing the primal power of cold. As the minutes tick by, the battle intensifies. By the fifth minute and beyond, brown fat begins to exhaust its fuel reserves. The body's survival instincts kick in, tapping into the deep, hidden reserves of visceral fat. This toxic tissue, once a silent observer, is now thrust into the spotlight. Chemical signals force it to release its stored energy, melting away like wax before a flame, as the body desperately fights to maintain its warmth. Yet, this is just the beginning. With each second in the cold, the body's desperate dance continues, a battle of endurance and adaptation. The icy depths hold more secrets, more revelations, waiting to be uncovered. What will happen when the cold demands even more from the body? In the realm of cold-induced transformation, the timeline unfolds with clockwork precision. As the skin's cold receptors, known as TRPM8, activate in the first minute, they send a cascade of electric signals to the brain, a distress signal that demands immediate action. It's the body's primal call to arms, a biological SOS that reverberates through the nervous system like a distant thunderstorm approaching. By the second minute, the hypothalamus, the brain's master regulator, responds with urgency. It releases norepinephrine, a chemical catalyst that ignites the furnace within brown fat. This chemical surge is the spark needed to awaken the dormant mitochondria, transforming the fat into a raging inferno of heat production. The body's metabolic engine roars to life, burning calories with an intensity that defies the icy surroundings. As the minutes stretch into the fifth and beyond, the reserves of brown fat begin to dwindle. The body, driven by an ancient survival instinct, turns to its deepest energy wells. Here, visceral fat, the silent antagonist, is chemically coerced into submission. It yields its energy reserves, melting under the relentless heat, a sacrifice to the body's quest for warmth. Yet, this process is far from complete. The body's fight against the cold continues, a relentless battle of adaptation and endurance. As the chill seeps deeper, the body is forced to reveal more of its hidden mechanisms, compelled to unlock secrets long buried under layers of time and evolution. What other mysteries lie beneath the skin, waiting for the touch of cold to awaken them? The body's response to cold is not merely a reaction, but a calculated strategy evolved over millennia. As the cold seeps into the skin, this ancient machinery kicks into a higher gear, unveiling the hidden architecture of self-preservation. The temperature of the water must drop to a precise 59 degrees Fahrenheit, the threshold where a biological command is triggered. Here, the body relies on the alchemy of time and cold, a delicate balance of exposure and endurance. 11 minutes. That is the duration required each week to fortify the battleground within. But this is no marathon of endurance. Instead, it is a series of strategic encounters, each lasting 2 to 3 minutes, that cumulatively coax the brown fat into a state of readiness. In these brief moments, cold becomes an ally, sculpting the body's inner landscape with a surgeon's precision. The cold whispers secrets to the cells, urging them to transform, to adapt. Brown fat, the unsung hero, begins its relentless work, converting frigid adversity into a furnace of life-sustaining warmth. This interplay between environment and biology is a testament to the body's resilience, a dance choreographed by nature itself. Yet, as the cold demands more, the body must delve deeper into its reserves. What other secrets will it unlock in this struggle for survival? As the cold persists, The narrative of transformation continues, pushing the limits of what the body can endure. With each shiver, each breath, it moves closer to unveiling the full extent of its hidden powers. In the unyielding dance of biology and environment, the body's silent saga continues, revealing secrets embedded deep within our genetic fabric. As you explore these hidden depths, remember that knowledge is power. Subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to stay informed about the mysteries your body holds. The cold reveals what comfort conceals, a journey not yet complete. What other powers lie dormant, waiting to be awakened by the chill? In the depths of our biological machinery lies a tale of resilience and adaptation, a story sculpted by time and necessity. The cold, an ancient adversary, becomes a teacher, revealing secrets buried within. As visceral fat melts away, what remains is the testament to an enduring spirit, a body honed by survival, ready to withstand nature's trials. Yet, this journey is more than physical. It is a testament to the human will, a reminder of the inner strength we all possess. The cold beckons us to confront our limits, urging us to discover the potent forces within. As you ponder this icy odyssey, ask yourself, does your body harbor secrets yet to be awakened? Can you embrace the chill and unlock the mysteries of your own endurance? The answers wait, frozen in time, ready to be revealed by those daring enough to seek them.